Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Twilio CRM integration from Salesforce. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling the Twilio CRM integration from Salesforce, log into your Salesforce account. Next, navigate to the setup area by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner. Once in the setup menu, locate the App Manager in the left sidebar. In the App Manager, find the Twilio integration app in the list. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the Twilio app name to reveal more options. Select View from the drop-down menu. In the App Detail page, look for the Installed Packages section, usually found in the related lists. Click on Installed Packages to view all packages currently installed in your Salesforce instance. Search for the Twilio package within this list. Once you locate the Twilio package, click on the package name to proceed. On the package detail page, look for the Uninstall button. Click the Uninstall button to begin the removal process. A confirmation window will appear, asking you to confirm the uninstallation. Review any dependencies or components that may be affected by the uninstallation. If you're sure you want to proceed, confirm the action. Salesforce will process the uninstallation, which may take a few moments. Once the process is complete, you will see a message indicating that the package was successfully uninstalled. Finally, it's a good practice to check your Salesforce environment to ensure that no residual components remain from the Twilio integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.